Hi guys! Mayong buntag, and today's video guys, ni-attend mi og family day sa company nila the Marvs. So morning mi niabot diri, and then after nagpa-register na dayon mi, and then napod sila yung mga pabaligyang t-shirt diri and then sa morning event na sila yung mga performer ani. So, mga exhibition nilang diring dapita, murag ikaw makulbaan tungod sila mga tumbling-tumbling, pero mga professional na gyud ni sila. So, they know their job na. So, morning event nila guys, more on kids pag yun. So, nagapalingaw-lingaw sila mga bata here, and then na sila mga pa-bubbles-bubbles. So, pertig yun kaayong lingawa sa mga bata ari. And then, after ani nga performer, naapod sila Paana and Elsa. So, syempre, mga bata, mabay na ilang mga favorite ng mga movie, mga pa Elsa and Anna and Olaf. So sa mga nag-perform, ang SPIT Manila, which means Asia's Premier Improvisational Theater from Manila. So gikan pag yun sila sa Manila. So atong paminawon ang ilang performance. There we go.
Let's listen. Kaya, what do you have?
Sa kani-kani sa mga kanigaling oh, alam natin na tunay na maraming loving-loving sinasabi nila pagkaganan ang mga misis magagal pero sa totoo lang lahat tayo gusto ng chismis.
Photosynthesis leaves because of the sun.
Reaction
Of conversion
self
in leaves chlorophyll, which is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Gusto ko naman ma-impress sa inyo kasi you're so impressive. So, a word that you learned in high school, kids. Super califragilistic.
Patay kang bata.
Super califragilistic.
Agoy.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. R-C. Docious.
somehow
Sad, but always
remember
to believe
that
my
and
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Alright, okay, more numbers. Alright, now I have a college word. A word you learned in university, please. Surgery.
Surgery. R-G-E-R-Y. Surgery.
body
Is in pain. Kaya
mga kailangan
ng surgery. Surgery.
Alright, now we are in Cebu for a reason.
Bisaya are.
Okay? It is because we love the Visayan language. So now, we will spell the longest Visayan language. A word. Okay, that I want you to make. Mapasalamatong.
Ah.
Mapasalamatan. Apple. P-A-S. A-P-O. Mapasalamatol.
In a sentence, please.
Nangangamba.
Dahil kulang ang
Mapasalamatan.
We are going to use the word mapasalamaton, which means
Thankful.
thank God. All right. So we are
Thankful.
thankful.
Mahal naman. Ano, 3 hours na tayo nag-iisip kung saan tayo kakain.
Ako pa ang may kasalanan. I have been suggesting different fast food chains since 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Pupunta na naman tayo dun sa Sparrow. Eh, kahapon nag-Sparrow na tayo.
Favorite mo ang Italian cuisine. And I am clearly suggesting Sparrow because I care for you.
Sparrow. Alam ko mahilig ako sa Italian cuisine, pero hindi mo ba, nalilimutan mo ba na may ex ako sa Sparrow?
After all this years, you are still not over your ex-boyfriend who works there?
Love is not about exes, okay? I am over my ex. Ang sinasabi ko lang, ayoko lang magkaroon ng any friction. Alam mo naman, na-concentrate ako kapag nag-depends ako.
May dala akong diet-tabs.
Alam mo, sige, punta na tayong Sparrow.
You. Thank you. You are finally making a decision for this relationship. Oh my God. Nandito ka na naman. My love. Andito ka na naman. Again? Again, you are here? Dave, please explain. Dave,
Alam mo, twice a week lang ako nandito, okay? Ikaw na nagsabi na mahilig ako sa Italian cuisine, pero hindi naman dahil nandito yung ex ko.
yes, Spaghetti. Alam ko, kasi ako nagluto niyan. Lasagna. Eh,
Ako na lang magbabayad.
now, bayad ka, sige. Bayad ka. Ayun. So, may naman naman din. Ato silang bilong, kaya gusto lang kasabot ng Pilise yan. Ako, ang Pilise.
Bisaya din.
So, they will, I'll ask yung Bisaya words to bring nila kasabihan, and they'll define it, and then they'll use it in a steam. So, for example, first word. Ano ba? Ambot.
Ambot, noun, that which falls from heaven.
Ang boleh tu dah.
Buang.
Ganyan tao. Pastilan.
Pastilan.
Pastilan is a noun. It is a dessert made out of flour.
Pasta.
looks so delicious.
Yeah, I prepared something for you because I know it's afternoon. No! Wait! Hindi ko luto yung pastilan.
Basta.
Pastilan means...
Ano?
Expression.
As a family.
Ay, nako, parang gano'n.
Ay, nako.
Bungutan. That's right. Bungutan. Bungutan.
Bungutan, a bird. Toothpick.
Otto, alin dyan ang gusto mo? Sparrow, Momoyo, Shawarma, Radon, or Garlic?
Babe, gusto mo mag-away na naman? Ikaw na magbuutan.
Bungutan means good.
All good.
Panuhot!
Okay. Panuhot.
Panuhot. An ingredient that you put to fertilize orchids. Panuhot.
Ito na. Siyempre, madami itong panuhod.
Panot ang piang.
Naglibong!
Ay, lain ng kasabot niya.
Nalibog. Naglibog.
Naglibog. Verb. It is used to connotate cleaning oneself.